Have you ever promised yourself you would change, but somehow, you keep ending up in the same place? You wake up with motivation, but by evening, it's gone. You plan your day, but distractions win. You say, tomorrow will be different, but tomorrow looks exactly like today. So let me ask you something honestly. Is it really lack of talent, or lack of discipline? This is the story of a young man named Adam, who lived in a small village. Adam wasn't lazy. He had dreams. Big ones. He wanted to change his life, help his family, become someone people respected. But every day followed the same pattern. He would wake up late. Watch others go to work. Tell himself, I'll start today. And then, he didn't. Days turned into weeks. Weeks turned into months. And slowly, something dangerous started to grow inside him. Doubt. One evening, Adam sat under a tree, watching an old farmer working in the field. The man moved slowly, but steadily. No rush. No excuses. Just work. Adam walked up to him and asked, "Baba, how do you stay so consistent every day?" The old man smiled and said something simple, but powerful. "I don't rely on motivation. I rely on discipline." Adam frowned. "What's the difference?" The old man pointed to the ground and said, "Motivation is like rain. It comes and goes. But discipline is like the sun. It shows up every day." That night, something changed in Adam. He made a decision. Not to change his whole life in one day, but to control just one day at a time. He gave himself a challenge. 30 days. No excuses. Day 1 was easy. Day 2, still okay. By day 5, his mind started fighting back. Rest a little. You deserve a break. This is too hard. Have you heard that voice before? That voice isn't you. That's your comfort zone, trying to keep you small. But Adam remembered something. Discipline is doing what needs to be done, even when you don't feel like doing it. So he created simple rules. Wake up early, no negotiation. Work for a set number of hours, no distractions. Improve one skill daily, no excuses. He didn't aim for perfection. He aimed for consistency. By day 10, something interesting happened. The work didn't feel as hard. By day 15, people started noticing. "Adam, you've changed." By day 20, his confidence grew. Not because life got easier, but because he got stronger. Think about this. What if your life isn't hard? What if your habits are? What if success isn't far away, but hidden behind the things you keep avoiding? By day 30, Adam was no longer the same person. He didn't just build discipline. He built control over his life. And here's the truth most people don't realize. Discipline is like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it becomes. Ignore it, and it weakens. So let me ask you again. What would your life look like if you were disciplined for just 30 days? What habits would you build? What distractions would you remove? What version of yourself would you become? Here's how you start. Rule 1, start small. Don't try to change everything. Win the day. Rule 2, remove excuses. If it's important, you'll find a way. If not, you'll find an excuse. Rule 3, stay consistent. Not perfect. Just consistent. Remember this. Your future is built by what you do daily, not occasionally. Adam didn't become successful overnight. But he became something more powerful. Unstoppable. Now it's your turn. Not next week. Not tomorrow. Today. Make a decision. Commit to 30 days. Prove to yourself that you can change. If this message spoke to you, don't ignore it. Subscribe for more powerful stories that will push you to grow. Share this with someone who needs discipline in their life. And remember, you don't need more motivation. You need more discipline.